Hello again, real estate innovators. Welcome back. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on three forward thinking solutions for real estate: AI powered property management, blockchain enabled transactions, and immersive VR property tours, and revealing how business process modeling, BPM, provides the perfect roadmap to make them a reality. If you've been itching to bring cutting edge tech into your real estate operations without the chaos, you're in the right place. Business process modeling is like a crystal clear map of your workflows, where tasks begin, who handles them, and what tools are needed. When you're rolling out new technologies like AI or VR, it's crucial to see exactly where these solutions fit. With BPM, you don't just dump in new tech and hope for the best. You blend it into your processes so that your teams and customers reap actual benefits, not extra headaches. Let's start with AI-driven property management systems. Traditionally, you've got manual steps galore, tenant onboarding forms, maintenance requests bouncing around, and tedious rent collection. BPM helped us detail each step of that old routine, exposing wasted time and resources. Then we introduced AI chatbots to handle tenant inquiries, schedule repairs, and even automate reminders for late payments. By weaving these chatbots into the BPM flow, we ensure staff know exactly when AI handles a task and when a human should jump in. Result: faster resolutions, lower overhead, and happier tenants. Next up, blockchain-based transactions, perfect for tackling slow closings and endless paperwork. With BPM, we mapped the usual transaction route: verifying titles, dealing with escrow, finalizing deeds. Then we integrated blockchain's strengths: smart contracts, automating escrow releases, tokenized titles, cutting out third-party confusion. The flowchart ensures that each party, agents, lawyers, clients, knows who does what, and exactly when the blockchain replaces a manual step. That means fewer intermediaries, clearer records, and near-instant verifications. Put plainly, no more dreaded paper trails or uncertain waiting games. Finally, the big crowd pleaser: VR property tours. Instead of juggling in-person showings that cost you hours, we mapped out a BPM approach for scheduling and hosting VR viewings. The model includes everything from sending a VR link to remote clients, to collecting feedback afterward, to marking leads as VR inclined. By letting BPM guide the rollout, we built in ways to measure usage, handle tech hiccups, and follow up with clients who want a real walkthrough next. That means better data, fewer wasted drives, and a downright cool experience for buyers, wherever they are. For each innovation, AI property bots, blockchain, VR tours, business process modeling highlights who is responsible for each task, like verifying titles, scheduling chatbots, or hosting VR. When to integrate your technology so it genuinely solves problems. How to measure success, like tenant satisfaction scores, transaction speed, or VR tour adoption. No guesswork or disjointed pilot projects. BPM ties it all together, step by step, ensuring every role knows what to do and every system knows how to connect. That's how you roll out next-gen tools without chaos. So there you have it. Three game-changing technologies for real estate: AI, blockchain, VR, each woven into your day-to-day with business process modeling. If you're ready to transcend old-school workflows and dazzle clients with futuristic yet seamless solutions, this is your blueprint. Want to see more ways to supercharge real estate ops with AI and data-driven methods? Subscribe, and grab a copy of AI-powered Strategic Thinker 3. Because real estate success isn't just about the trendiest gadget, it's about orchestrating every process so the technology truly amplifies your results. Let's build the real estate of tomorrow, one streamlined process at a time.